just sit there watching me, lying alone, trying hard not to sleep. Your shadows like to watch me dream and mess with me and our memories. I would crawl back to you, throw it down and ask it why. Would you call and break me through? You and I, 'cause I'm lucid dreaming again. Wake me up and tell me when that I'm lucid dreaming again. Wake me up and tell me when. Wake me up and tell me when. 'Cause I'm lucid dreaming. Oh, won't you wake me up? 'Cause I'm lucid dreaming again. Wake me up and tell me when. I can cry a million times and try to play back when time could speak. You could tell I'm trying to be someone else, not you. I would crawl back to you, throw it down and ask it why. Would you call and break me through? You and I, 'cause I'm lucid dreaming again. Wake me up and tell me when that I'm lucid dreaming again. Wake me up and tell me when. 'Cause I'm lucid dreaming. Oh, won't you wake me up? 'Cause I'm lucid dreaming again. Wake me up and tell me when.
Wish all the hashtags, likes and tweets would find a way to get lost. Yeah, and when I pull up to the scene, I wonder what the hell is the cost. And yeah, I know you never seen nothing like this before. Yeah, but this is different. Yeah, I deserve to find some self-comfort. So find a way to We fight and beg and greed, and then we go and act like something. And our hearts burn with the heat of 1,000 suns. Yeah, and we cry out loud, cause we just want attention. Alright, and we feel alive from a fake medium. Yeah, I won't accept this life that fate is given. So find a way to get lost. So find a way to get lost. Just find a way to get lost. Yeah, we'll find a way to get lost. So find a way to. Tweets before